Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. We're very excited about our brand new super cleaning products, which are packed in the already well-known nano packages. Now, would you rather take what we've been doing for years and take a 5-gallon pail, using a spigot, maybe even a measuring glass, turning it over, when all we're trying to do is get a ready-to-use 32-ounce bottle of product? I think most of these things are 4-to-1. It's about as strong as you can get them because they have to have water. Or is it going to be a lot easier for you to take one of these nano pails and just fill the bottle up with water, give it one pump, and you're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and show you how to do that, how to break it down, plus all the benefits of a nano product and the nano systems. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to show you how to properly dilute the Wheel Brite along with 3D's Nano Super Wheel Cleaner. The reason why we're doing this is to show you hand in hand what the products are supposed to be similarly compared to with the nano product as opposed to our regular 4-to-1s. And we're going to go buy Wheel Brite, our current wheel cleaner. You're going to go get a 5-gallon pail, and this breaks down 4-to-1. Now the first things you're going to need on the 5-gallon pail is you're going to need a wrench. It's like this. It's a wrench you can get at a lot of your detail shops or detail supply stores. And you have to take and crank this open. And hopefully you're not trying to pour it from here into a 32-ounce bottle, but you might. It's just how some people are. But they are made that the lid comes with a thread so that you can punch out the hole or drill out the hole. For sake of time, I've already done it here. And what that is for a spigot. Now a lot of times you can get spigots that fit right into the 32-ounce bottle, but then you don't even know what you're actually diluting half the time. Because you really want to only go to 4-to-1. If you go a little bit stronger, because this is an acid, it's not a degreaser, maybe you get a little bit more strength, but not really that much more cleaning ability out of it. What you do get a lot of times, most 4-to-1s, you're going to get a stickier product. It's going to sit on there and it's going to be harder to rinse off. One of the things about the balance of a 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 is you want to make sure that you're able to not only clean it, but also get it off, especially with an acid. You want to be able to make sure you do that. So we're going to take and put this lid on here, and put the faucet on. Make sure it's tightened down good. Make sure you open up the vent for the top area so that you can have it pull out product evenly. Make sure also that the hole here is on the front side, not on the back side, so when you go to dump it out, it doesn't pour all over the floor, okay? So let's go ahead and we've already put in 24 ounces of water here because it's easier for us to show. 4-to-1 is you have to take the amount that you want, divide it by 5, because it's 4 parts of water, 1 part chemical equals 5. So it's actually 6.4 for a full 32 ounces. I round it down, so we're gonna get 6 ounces of water for each part, so that's 24. We're gonna get 6 ounces of chemical. So the water line's here. We're gonna go right to 6 ounces of product. And then pour it into the top here, making sure we have a perfect 30 ounces of chemical in a 4-to-1 ratio. Now, this 5-gallon pail will give us 100 of these bottles, 32-ounce bottles, 30 ounces product approximately, of ready-to-use 4-to-1 wheel cleaner. Not too difficult once you get going, but I know a lot of times what's going to happen is we get going in shops, you're going to fill the water up. They're either going to fill it up halfway and put half the product in there, so you lose an efficiency, or you're going to fill it all the way up and then fill the rest of this with product, and you get the foam, it's going to start making a mess, and now you have an unbalanced chemical mix. So sometimes your wheel cleaner is going to be really good, and sometimes it's going to be maybe not as good because we leave it up to it. Or you can go ahead and get a dilution system, which can help out a lot. But you know, dilution systems, you have to have water always running to it. You know, there's a lot of different little things, processes or steps to ensure that we have a properly diluted product. Now, one of the geniuses or the brilliance that we feel that we've done and narrowed down with our nano or our super chemicals is we've made it really super duper easy to be able to break down our product. So we've taken and we've designed these cute little 5-gallon pails. We're going to pop in a 2/3 ounce pump, screw it down. Now I didn't have the extended hose on there. A lot of you guys will take the time to cut it down. I'm going to pop this up. Okay, now we have a 32 ounce, or we filled it up with just over 30 ounces of water here. So just the bottom of the neck to make this nice and easy. Now as opposed to the Super Duty Degreaser and the Super Citrus All-Purpose APC, the Super Wheel Cleaner actually needs to have 2 pumps of product and not just 1. That's the only difference between it. So the first pump's going to be a dry pump because we have to prime it. Now we're ready to go. 1, 2, and we are full. And ready to clean. There we go. So it's 1.5 ounces of product to every 30 ounces of water, and you're ready to go for this Ready Super Duty Wheel Cleaner. This will make you $75 for that one. We'll go ahead and show you how these products compare at a 4-to-1 mix ratio as opposed to a 13-to-1 mix ratio in the next video. Hey guys, we appreciate you coming by and checking us out at 3D Products and being able to check out our brand new NANO Pail system. Now the NANO Pails give you the same great finished goods, easier to take out of these smaller pails, these hyper concentrates that are homogeneous, that be able to make it so that you can be able to take this hyper concentrated product and in one pump create the same amount of finished goods that come with these 5-gallon pails broken down at 4-to-1. You can see how much easier it is to do and really how much quality product you can get. You get 132-ounce bottles of finished goods out of these NANO Pails as opposed to 132-ounce bottles of finished goods out of a 5-gallon pail. It's just easier to get there, easier to store, and much easier to use when it comes to breaking down the product. We hope this helped you out. Hope it brought up some clarity of the benefit of the NANO Pails, and we hope that you guys join and look us up next time. Keep up to date with all 3D's latest, greatest, innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams. We'll see you then.